will come.
In the final weekend of June, we're checking out the Missouri River flooding in the Omaha and Council Bluffs area. We're starting at Lewis and Clark Park, just north of Council Bluffs.
This is Interstate 29, looking north from Council Bluffs. Next to I-29, one of our favorite parks in Council Bluffs, called Big Lake Park, is almost completely underwater. This is what the park usually looks like. And here's what it looks like this weekend. This is a shot looking south into Council Bluffs. This is the viewing platform from Lewis and Clark Park.
The riverfront on the Iowa side of the river is also underwater.
Here's what this area looked like a few days earlier. The water level is near the top of the dike on the Omaha side, next to Heartland of America Park. Looking at the pier, we can see where the water level is on a more typical summer day. Across the river, the dike near Harris Casino is only a few feet higher than the water level. Thank you for watching our channel. See you next time on World Street.